This past summer, our Facilities and Construction Department renovated 9 campuses. These improvements were made possible by the 2019 bond. CFISD is truly grateful to have a community who continues to support our students and staff by providing world-class facilities.
My school is beautiful and bigger.
We did security for open concept classrooms where we went in and created pods of 4 to 8 classrooms with lockable doors and shooter lock sets so the teachers can tell when the doors are locked. We also did expansions at many of the schools to increase the classroom size. We added additional security at the front desk with impact-resistant glass. We also added card readers throughout the building and around the exterior of the building. We also installed security fencing at all campuses.
It's the best news ever, because that's your first priority as a principal, is the safety of your kids. And so when they came in and they were like, we're going to add doors to all the classrooms, it was just like, wow, that's going to be wonderful.
The classroom doors are able to lock from the inside, and there's a visual indicator for teachers when their door is locked or unlocked as an added safety measure. And then we have phones in each of the classrooms as well, so that all teachers are able to get in touch with the front office at any time.
When we had our Meet the Teacher, the parents were absolutely in love with it. That's all we could hear was, oh thank goodness, I love this. Not only is it beautiful, my children are safe.
The students have noticed right away from their first entry into the building that we had quite a few changes take place over the summer.
They're enjoying it, they feel spoiled, they feel blessed, and so everything is new, everything is shiny, everything is new.
I like music, and it's also very big because the last music room was very small and now it's bigger.